Okay, let's see how we can implement stacks using pointers. This is an example using pointers graphically. Initially, we have to assume that the linked list is empty. So we start by pushing a new element, let's say 10. So it should look like this. There is a pointer and the info top pointer pointing to the node. If we again push 20, top element is 20, top is pointing to 10. This is now the bottom element. How do we figure out which element is bottom and which one is top? To indicate the element is top, we are using top pointer, and this null pointer indicates that this node is the bottom element of the stack. Push 30, it looks like this. If you pop 30, then temporarily 30 will be assigned to x pointer, then the remaining two elements will be like this. If you again push 40, this is how stacks are implemented using pointers, just simply graphically. Now we are going to see how we can implement it. Create a new project. Name it stack linked list or stack using pointer. Let's name it stack pointer because we are going to implement it using pointer. Creating the project is taking a while. Alright. In the previous program, I have shown you that the input-output statements to be of std namespace, but we can also define it like this using namespace std. Now we can remove this one. Okay. Here we need to define structure of the node. Let's say it is node. Here we need to specify two variables, two elements here, int info or data and struct node, then link. Here we can define top pointer, and you can initialize it to null. You have to define an identifier for the node, like type div struct node, and the name should be node, but all letters capitalized. Here there are some namespaces or packages that we need to include, like malloc include colonio include process. So what else do we need? Include stdio. Okay, these are enough. Okay, now we need to define the operations like push, not push, void pop, and then finally display. These are the signatures of the functions. Now let's see what we can do here. From the previous program stack using arrays, I'm going to copy some code because it's almost the same, but a little bit different. So let's go ahead to this program and copy all the codes here. Copy, go back to this program and paste. This one should be deleted because it's not necessary. Already we have declared a top pointer and initialized to null right on top of the program. Here there are some errors. Okay, we don't need a parameter structure, so we have to remove this already. You can create the objects as a local variables for the functions. Okay, first we have to create a node instance. Then let's call it new node, and should be signed some memory, not malloc. The size should be size of memory allocated to this pointer should be struct node. Then we need to accept a data from the user. Let's declare info variable here, then input info part of the node, then saying f-info. So after f new node info should be equal to f-info f new node link should be equal to top. Then the new node should be assigned to top. Top should be equal to f new node. That's it. For pop, let's check if the linked list has some nodes. Top is equal to null. Then we have to display a message which says the stack is empty. Then return or cancel yes. PCH function enforce the console application void till you press any key to execute the next statement. Else we need a temporary pointer node temp which should be assigned the top element and top should point to the lower element top link and top link should be equal to null. Then display deleted element is temp info the ender. term value ignored. Okay, let's return. So here we have to wrap for a temp. Before we display existing elements, we need to check if it is empty or not, if the stack is empty or not. Else we need again temporary pointer temp, which is equal to top cout elements of the stack is or are while temp is not equal to null, then cout temp info and temp should be equal to temp link cout sorry end. Let's check if this is going to work. Build it first. Then debug. One. Let's say 10. Continue. 1. 20. Continue. 3. 20. Then 10. But we need to add space here in the display. Let's debug it again. 1, 10. Continue. 1, 20. Continue. 1, 30. Continue. Display. Okay. Continue. Pop. Here, deleted element is search because search is the topmost element. Let's display it again. Two elements are deleted. Why? Let's check pop. Let's move this one up. Doesn't make difference, but I think this is not necessary. Let's try it by commenting out this statement. One, then yes, 120, yes, 130, yes, display, okay, yes, 230 deleted, yes, 3, okay, now it's working, yes, 220 is deleted, 3, yeah, 2, yes, display, yeah, this that is MPG. If you again push the element, yes, display, alright. So the top's link pointer should not be equal to null because it is breaking the link, therefore it's not necessary. Okay, uh, we have implemented stack using both arrays and pointers, which is statically and dynamically respectively. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.